It's a kind of funny story because I actually went to school to get my degree in professional studies with a concentration in healthcare management. But my love for food has always been there since I was a child. I grew up in a single parent household, so my mom worked long hours, so I never got those home cooked meals or those recipes passed down, even from like my grandma. She never really cooked like that either. So me and my mom watched the Food Channel growing up, and of course that's when Ace of Cakes, Cake Boss, and Cupcake Wars is all on there, and it just fascinated me that people were making real life things out of cake and desserts, and it was just amazing to see people's like expressions, how happy they made people feel, and I was like, I just want to do that one day, but never really knew how. The opportunities are drastically changing and available than what it was for me 8 years ago. So I had to incorporate God into my business, and that was very important to me. And I feel like He was actually the one who pushed me to take my leap of faith and open the door to say, or the window to see, so I can look out and see that other people are doing it, so you can do it too. So the advice I would give: if you have a dream, go after it. Like, I live in a space now like nothing is not obtainable. Like if you want it, you can have it.